G'day folks, Jim Langens here from FX Charts with the currency update for the Finance News Network for the 30th of May. It was all bad news really today. It was all about Spain, and it finally pushed the euro below 125 to a low so far of 124.60 from where we've seen a very mild bounce. But there was nothing good coming out of Spain today. Aud Jones, one of the smaller ratings agencies, downgraded it for the third time, I think, in a month. Retail sales collapsed, and the banking system looks like it's about to implode. And apparently, it looks like it needs 100 billion euros to recapitalise it. So the pressure remains heavily on the downside for the euro. It looks very soft. It's at 124.80 at the moment. And although the markets are very short, there's a real lack of buyers, so we're not really seeing any bounce. That may change, of course, in the next couple of weeks if the Greek election polls are right, and we see the the pro-austerity party, the Conservatives, win the election on the 17th of June. But that remains to be seen. And until then, it only looks like short squeezes the only reason for the euro really to rally. Today the euro took cable and the Swissy with it. Cable's currently at 156.40. That's currently sitting on some support, but it's looking very heavy. And dollar Swiss, well, that's just tracking the euro. The cross is at 120.10. It's going nowhere. And dollar Swiss is currently trading at 96.20. Aussie and Kiwi, they've really performed not too badly on the day, all things considered. There's been some support there because of selling from the euro on the crosses. Euro Kiwi and Euro Aussie have both headed a little bit lower. But they're reasonably volatile within their own ranges, and they've held that well, as I say. The Aussie's currently at 98.30, and the Kiwi, I think, is at that's at 76.10 at the moment. So it looks to me as though a 98.99 range for the Aussie today, and probably 75.80 to 76.40 on the Kiwi are likely to hold it. Overall, the downtrend remains intact, but the charts are just unwinding a little bit, and so we may see a bit of consolidation. There's not a lot of data out today, except for the Aussie retail sales. That might provide a bit of volatility at 11.30. But there's not an awful lot out of Europe or the States later on this evening. But if you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And lastly, just please remember that any outlook here is a personal view only. It's not meant to be used as trading advice. So that aside, trade well, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Cheers.